Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have the Royal Padlock. This was in the package sent to me by Randy Perkins. Thanks for all those locks again, and there was a bit of interest in this. To be honest with you, I think it's more of a novelty lock. It's not the best type of quality. As you can see from the key, it's just pressed, not machined. But it looks the part, and it does actually work. If I get the key in the right way. Not the smoothest of locks. Now, I've only really ever picked pin tumblers, so this did take me a little while to work out. I think it is some kind of warded lock, but number one, no way of tensioning it, because that just spins. Can't see an awful lot inside, can't take it apart, but I did work out in the end, playing around with some of my warded picks. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed, because you have to get this just on the right spot, and there we go. Thank God that worked. Sometimes it's taken me about 5 minutes to get the pick out once it slipped and got jammed in there. But anyway, it works, it's pretty, and it was a little bit of fun finding out how it worked and actually picking it in the end. So thanks again, Randy, and thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.